How's it going, guys? Junior here with A Mustangs, bringing you back another video. In today's video, we're going to be test fitting a new spoiler for the Saleen, the S331, my truck. Stay tuned.
Music bed.
Alright, so as you can see here, we got the tailgate open on my Saleen, and here's the parts. I'm going to pull it out before I show you guys. I figured that out once I picked you guys up. But the cool part about this wing is it's actually a discontinued item, so you can't no longer get this. So let me get out of the box and then we'll talk about what brand it is. Alright, so we got the spoiler off. So I ended up buying this from Dick's Auto Parts on eBay. This is actually a classic design concepts spoiler, as you can see here, for the 0405s at the time. I know 607, 08s I think will also fit, I'm assuming. But the backstory on this piece is it's actually a new old stock, what you call it. So it's brand new. It just has like some writing on it. But I found it on eBay because this part's actually been discontinued for a while. The ones you can get on eBay, just go on the tailgate. It's like the Roush style and it goes up a lot, and it's just the tailgate. This one actually goes around and covers to here, which I like, which you'll see here. I just wanted to test fit this, just in case I need to trim or shave anything like that before I paint it, because I'm going to start prepping the hood and the back bumper to spray, for Alex to spray it for me. And then eventually we're going to do something with a tonneau cover. I don't know if I'm going to strip it and repaint it or just get a new one. We'll see. It seems pretty straightforward. As you can see here, it's actually got already installed some studs, and it comes with brand new nuts. And all you got to do is take, apparently, these bolts off with a Torx bit. This comes off, and that should essentially just go on there, and you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking these off. I'm going to see what size it is. I'll let you guys know what size it is. And then we'll start taking off the nuts off of this plastic here. All right, so we took this piece off. It's over there to the side. The Torx bit is just a T30. That's what you used to take these off, assuming all trucks come with these. I'm assuming they do. It looks like the factory, let me see if you guys can see. Maybe. Looks like they're just push clips. My plan was to just test fit it, but in the case that I break some of these, I might go get some primer spray paint. Just primer that, leave it on till I paint it. It's going to be a couple months. Or maybe a month, actually, if that. I want to get it painted soon. Because I don't want this flying off on the freeway. So I'm probably going to get a socket that's slightly bigger just to see if I can push, because it's got like two tabs that come out. Let's see if I can show you guys. I can't get you guys in there. Oh, see, there you go. So that's the clips that are on there. So I just got to take this off, and it should just come off, and we should be able to fit those little like studs on those same mounting places. So let me get started on that. I'll pick you guys back up. All right, so as you can see, we got this part off. This is the clips I was talking about. So I just got some flatheads. The socket didn't end up fitting because it's really tight in some spots. So the way it's sitting, you just got to push back on some of them and then just keep prying it from one edge to another. It had this piece here, which it didn't have a screw or anything. I just kind of took it on. Obviously, it kind of broke. Just this one piece that goes here. But I don't know what it was held with. So keep that in mind. I mean, if you wanted to take off the latch and see what's in there, I didn't do that. So, and there's no screw or anything in there either. So I don't know what it was. But this is all the slots where this is clipped onto. So now, throw this in the bed. We'll pull this out and we'll see if we have to drill out the little holes or not, or if they just fit. So we're going to do that real quick. All right, so as you can see, we got the spoiler kind of mounted there. I just put two of the nuts in there. It actually fits really nicely on the existing holes already. So you don't have to drill anything or anything like that. However, since Saleen does have this, or puts this tonneau cover on there, it's hitting on these pieces, I'm assuming. As you can see here, doesn't want to close. So, let me see here. I'm either going to, because I mean this piece is missing on the other side, or I could just notch right here, which hence why I wanted to test fit this before I painted it. Because if I notch it there, then it should essentially clear. So I'm gonna mess with that. See if that would make it clear. Because I'm pretty sure that's the only place that's hitting. So let me mess with that and I'll put you guys back up. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the grinder over there. We did some motivation on this thing and we just cut straight down and across there. Obviously we're gonna fill this in once I paint it. Because it's hollow on this part. This part is solid, so that was fine. The reason being is because it was kind of hitting here. We cut the one side and it was closing, but it was barely latching on this side. And if I leave it like that once I paint it, it's gonna be rubbing, it's gonna be scratched, so might as well just cut it. Be done with it, no rubbing or anything like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and install it. Actually install two of the nuts again, close it, make sure, because the tailgate was kind of out a little bit. Make sure it closes. I'm gonna just leave it. I'm gonna just get a can of primer it, leave it like that for like a week or two, and then I'm gonna start sanding the hood, and then we'll take it back off. Actually prep it really nice, sand it real nice, because it's got like a little like lip right here. Probably gotta sand a little bit, but other than that, it's not bad. And then we can spray all the pieces together. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on. I'll pick you guys back up once it's kind of installed. Alright guys, you can see it's now installed. Obviously I'm gonna go pick up some primer, take it back off, primer it, let it dry, throw it back on for a little bit temporarily. But like I mentioned before, I like the fact that it covers all the way to the side and it's not just pointing up like some of the eBay ones or the Roush style ones. This one's kind of just flat and goes up a little bit, not much. But let me know what you guys think. This is one puzzle, or I've had this thing for like 6 months. There's one piece of the puzzle, then I gotta order the paint, start signing the hood, the back bumper, and then this deck lid panel here. We're gonna fix that little piece right there, and then just spray it the same matte black. So with all that done, it should be more complete and look the actual taken care of that it is. And then next is the tonneau cover, but that's probably way later on because that's expensive. Or see if I can strip it and repaint it. It's got like a rubbery stuff on it. But that's going to conclude this video. You just put those nuts on there, and then you put that panel back on there. Obviously, I didn't put mine on because I'm going to take it back off. And you're done. So if you order this, if you don't have a tonneau cover, you might not have to trim it. It honestly fits really nice. If you're able to get your hands on one of these, of course. But it fit great. I mean, if it matches the holes, it's straight. It needs very minor body work. Like here on the corner, it's kind of sharp, so probably just sand that off. Like right here, it's smooth. Here, it's not. But other than that, solid piece. So as always, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and catch you on the next one. Peace.